make some Italian food. I feel like today's video should be brought to you by the shape cylinder. We're gonna try and see how many cylindrical objects we can fit into one video. Also, who puts food in a tube? Alright, we're getting off track. Let's make some food. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and like I said, today we are making Italian food. More specifically, we are making Italian sausage and peppers. A personal favorite, and now we're making it. So, this is very simple, and it's quite delicious. I wouldn't necessarily call it authentic, but it's pretty close. It's not something that Italians normally do, but the ingredients wise and the way it's made is kind of the same. So I got red peppers and onions. I got some crushed tomatoes. I got some tomato paste, some rolls, and then I got some garlic, and I'm actually using hot Italian sausages. I like spicy Italian sausages. Now if you just use regular like sweet Italian sausages or just regular Italian sausages, add some red pepper flakes to your pepper mix once we get to that point. And I'll explain that along the way. Just waiting for my griddle to heat up. So what's new? No, just kidding. Alright, so our griddle's hot. Go ahead and throw in our sausages first. Those take the longest. Okay, so while those are cooking, let's do our peppers and onions. So I just got a red pepper and then some white onion, keeping it simple. Plus I like the smell of red onion when it's cooked. It'll smell up the neighborhood quite nicely too. Get the neighbors asking questions. Okay, then I'm gonna throw on about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic. And we want these to be nice and caramelized before we start making our sauce. All right, and then I got some oregano. And then I don't have any basil. So either Italian seasoning or parsley will be fine. I know it's not the same, but it's Italian food. It is what it is. It's still gonna taste great. Would I much rather have basil? Yeah, but you win some, you lose some. All right, so our onions and peppers are caramelized. Now it's time for the good stuff. So we're gonna do about a tablespoon of tomato paste, and then a can of crushed tomatoes. Make sure you season it again when you add your tomato can. And all you're gonna do is let this reduce a little bit. So our sausages are just about done. Our peppers and onions are done. I'm gonna take one of them, toast the bun on it, and we're gonna melt some cheese over top of the peppers and onions and the sausage, and we're gonna try it out. Take one of my buns, kind of warm it up on both sides real quick. Take just a little bit of our peppers and onions. Okay, then we're gonna take a few pieces of our provolone and melt it over. Okay, then we're gonna try and scoop this into here. Like so. Give it a try. Now you can add some whole grain mustard to this if you would like, but I'm just gonna try it as is. Cheers. That's really good. I love the roasted red peppers. That is delish. There you have it. Italian sausage, onions, and peppers. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what I should do next, and as always, peace out guys.